Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in uForm using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the UTM parameter and entire journey behind every conversion on your site. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your free account. Next, you can add your website to SourceLoop and copy its tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your site. If you're using WordPress, you can install a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. Here, paste the code in the header section and click on Save Changes. If you're using any other CMS, simply paste this code in your site's global header setting. Next, open your existing uForm, and here we need to add a hidden field to our form so that uForm can receive the SourceLoop unique visitor ID for the user who is submitting the form. Then we will connect uForm with SourceLoop using an incoming webhook so that whenever a new submission comes in uForm can send it back to SourceLoop, and SourceLoop will use that visitor ID to connect it with the attribution data that it has already captured for the same user. I'll show you how this works. Once you have opened the form, simply go to Setting and then navigate to Hidden Field section. Here, create a hidden field with the name SL_AID. You need to ensure that you are using this in the lowercase without any space, and then click on Save. Next, we need to integrate it with a webhook. So we'll go to Integrate section, choose webhook, and then now let's come back to SourceLoop and navigate to its setup section. Here, we'll go to Incoming webhook and copy SourceLoop web form webhook address. We'll go to uForm again and paste this address here. Click on Add webhook, and now we have connected SourceLoop with uForm. Finally, click on Share, click on Embed in Website, and copy this embed code. You need to add this form on one of your page or post on website where SourceLoop tracking code is installed. I have already added it on one of our test website. So now it's time to test this out. What we will do is we will visit our test website using some UTM parameter related to Google Ad. Let's navigate to the uForm page, and here we will make a test submission. I'll enter my name, email, click on Next, and then Submit. We have submitted the form. Now let's go back to SourceLoop and navigate to the contact section. Here we can see SourceLoop has captured this lead. If we scroll to the right, we can see it has also captured the UTM parameter, such as Google, uForm campaign, landing page, keyword, etc. We can click on the preview and it will show us the entire journey behind that link. SourceLoop also offered pre-built dashboard so that you can see your conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, term, etc. on different attribution model. By default, it shows you last touch attribution data. But if you are running ads on multiple ad platform, or if you are running multiple marketing activities, you can also switch between different attribution models such as last touch, first touch, linear touch, etc. If you're running ads on different ad platforms such as Google Ad and Meta Ad, you can connect your ad account, and then SourceLoop will be able to show you attributed conversion for every ad campaign. You can also enable conversion sync with the ad platform. So whenever SourceLoop receives a qualified form submission, it can sync it with the right ad campaign so that your ad platform are able to optimize the campaign performance based on actual qualified leads data. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.